Hey guys, this is We Are ArtSea, and today I'm going to be doing a balisong trick tutorial on the advanced trick called the Kiss Goodbye. And this is a trick that so many people have requested, and I felt like I had to make a tutorial for it. So I really hope you enjoy it. There's like a bunch of tricks mixed into it, so hopefully you are an advanced flipper when you're learning this. So I'll show you fast, and then I'll show you slow, so here is fast. Okay, so before I start explaining, I want to tell you that at the end of this video there is a left-handed tutorial. So if you're left-handed, I would skip to the end, just so you know. Okay, so this is a pretty hard move, I would say. I'm going to divide it into 5 steps, though it could be divided into 6 steps. I just prefer 5. And I'm going to show you it like this because then you can do it with me with your hand like this. So you're going to start off by holding the safe handle. In order to do it, you're going to start with step 1. And step 1 has 3 movements. I'm going to show you the 3 movements, fast and then slow. So here it is. So when I do this, I count out the movements because it helps me to get a rhythm going. And I would suggest you do the same because that's how I get through advanced tricks usually. So what you're going to do is you're going to flick the knife out like this. And you're going to move your index finger out of the way. So instead of going like that, you're going to flick out like that. And once you're flicked out, you're going to take your index finger and put it right here on the safe handle, on the back of the safe handle. And then flick the knife back like that. And this is actually used in a lot of tricks. So I'll show you it again. You flick out, you put your finger here, you go back. That's 2 of the movements. The 3rd movement is you're going to take your thumb right here. This is used in a lot of tricks. You're going to take your thumb and twist the knife like that. So it's face down. And this is the end of the first step. First step's pretty easy. So you flick out, put your index finger there, flick back, take your thumb on the back of the safe handle, and flick around. Here's the 2nd step, fast and slow. So you go here, 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 first step. 2nd step, take your index finger, put it here, out, and around. So, you're going, here's the 2nd step again. You take your thumb, you replace it with your index finger, and you go over like this, so your middle finger is here and your index finger is here, and then you're going to do it in a rollover around your middle finger like that. and your hand will twist like this. You see how my hand's twisted? So my hand was like this, faced up, but then when I was done with this, it was faced to the side like that. And twisting your hand actually really helps with the movement because you're trying to get this as smooth as possible. I'll show you both steps fluidly together. Okay, so once you land right here, you're going to start step 3. So step 3 is where it starts getting harder. Most tricks don't use your ring finger and your pinky, so you'll have to get the hang of it. For me, that was the hardest part, is using these 2 fingers in controlling the knife. So once you're here, you're going to do the 3rd step. And the 3rd step is one movement. It's one rollover around your ring finger, and you're going to catch it with your pinky. So you're in this position where your middle finger is here, and your ring finger is here, behind the safe handle. And you're going to swing the knife so it comes around like this, and your pinky catches it here. So the knife will be between, the safe handle will be between your pinky and your ring finger. And it's just one rollover. That's basically the 3rd step. The next 3 steps are only one rollover. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first 3 steps all together. Okay, so once you land right here with your pinky on the outside of the safe handle and your ring finger in between, you're going to do, this is the hardest step of the whole trick. And step 4 is going to be a rollover around your pinky to your middle finger. You're skipping your ring finger. Personally, this took a long time to get down this part. So the knife, I'm going to show you it slow by using 2 hands. The knife is going around like this, and you're putting your middle finger here, and you're catching it like this. So I'm going to show you it slow. You're going to have the bite handle come down like that. Rotate around this finger. So you're going to have to do a lot of movement, flicking your wrist up and getting it onto your middle finger. Some advice that I would suggest for this part, because it's kind of hard to explain, is you're going from top to bottom. And you're basically rotating around like that, and your hand will be faced, you see how the hands face that direction. And when you get to this part, make sure to get your index finger out of the way and get it ready for the next step. So here, let me see where it is. You're going to go like that, and your index finger is automatically going to curl up like this. Make sure it does that, because the next step you're going to be putting it behind the handle. Okay, I'll show you this one more time in slow motion. So once you get here, with your middle finger in the middle of the back of the blade and the safe handle, you're going to have your fingers kind of like this. Try to make your fingers match mine, how your index finger's right there. And you're going to take your ring finger that was curled up right here, and you're going to put it behind the safe handle, and you're going to edge it into the knife and do a vertical index rollover to close it. Now this is one of the hardest steps. I still think step 4 was harder than this one, but this one is one of the hardest in the trick too. Hopefully you've done a vertical index rollover. Try to practice that, but it's going to look like this. you're taking your index finger and putting it behind and kind of flicking it like this. You're getting, it's the momentum that's going to carry the knife, and it's going to go around like this, around your finger, and you're going to get these fingers, put your thumb here, and have it come around like that. Now when I first learned this trick, I did that step horizontally because I know how to do an index rollover pretty well horizontally. But the correct way to do it is vertically. So kind of like that. So you see how the whole trick was vertical? That's how it's supposed to be. Now it's possible, I mean, it's very possible. Wait, where is it? Okay, so it's right here. And it's very possible to do it horizontally like that. And that's what I would do if I were you, if you're not getting this step. You would go around and make the knife do a horizontal rollover and catch it like this. So you're catching it on the bite handle, by the way. Okay, so I'm going to show you all the steps again. So you go 1, 2, 3, replace your, or you put your index finger here, have your thumb here too, and then you go back 1, 2, 3, that's step 2, and then step 3, you're going to do an rollover around your ring finger to get to your with your pinky on the back, and now you're here. You're going to do the hardest step, step 4, the rollover around your pinky to your middle finger, like that. You're skipping your ring finger. And you have your index finger all ready for the next step. And you're going to put it behind the blade and do the 5th step. It's a vertical index rollover to close the knife. Like that. So yeah, that's the whole trick. I hope you guys could learn something from it. I tried my best, and if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below. I'm going to show you the left-handed tutorial now. I can't do the trick left-handed, but I'm going to go through the steps left-handed. So hopefully it will benefit everyone that's left-handed. By the way, this tutorial will be shorter than the right-handed one, so if you're left-handed, I would watch the whole video to help you out. So you're going to get the knife by the safe handle and you're going to flick it out, and we're doing the first step right now, and you're going to put your index finger right there, flick the knife back like that, take your thumb, and you're going to push the knife like this, and you're going to push it down like that. And that's the end of the first step. That was 3 movements. And so first step is right there, you're ending. Here's the second step. You're getting your index finger right there, and you're flicking it up like that. And then you're going to kind of go like this and twirl the knife around, so then it comes like that. And it will be on your middle finger. So this is the end of the second step. It'll be on your middle finger right here, and then you're going to twirl the knife back that way, and you're going to do a rollover around your ring finger and catch it with your pinky. Now I can't do this fast, so I'm just going to show you it slow. So you're going to do the rollover and catch it with your pinky. Hopefully that was good enough. I'm sorry if you're not getting anything out of this. Okay. But there's the ring finger and then the pinky right there. Okay. That was the end of the 3rd step. Okay, so once you have the knife like this, you're going to move on to the 4th step, which is the hardest step. You're going to do a rollover around your pinky to your middle finger. And so this might look weird, but you're going this way. And you're going to move the knife around like this and have it come around like that, and you're going to have your middle finger catch it and your ring finger is on the outside, like that. And so for this final last step, you have to curve your index finger in, and this is the 5th step, and you're going to get your index finger and put it on the back of the safe handle. So curl your hand around, put it on the back, and you're going to do an index rollover that's vertical, and it's going to go like this, around, and then close the knife, like that. So hopefully that will help you if you're left-handed. I tried my best. It's very hard to do the other hand. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below, like, and subscribe for more videos.